Hey everyone, Alex here, and today I'm bringing you some truly groundbreaking news that's making waves across the entire crypto community. Whether you're a seasoned blockchain enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of digital currencies, you'll want to pay close attention to this update. There's some huge news in the crypto world that could change the way we think about decentralized apps and digital assets. The PiNetwork, which has already captured the attention of millions of users worldwide with its mobile-first approach to cryptocurrency, has just announced a major partnership that could take its ecosystem to the next level. PiNetwork, the innovative mobile-first cryptocurrency project, has officially teamed up with Chainlink, the industry leader in decentralized Oracle networks. This collaboration is a total game-changer, and here's why. It means that for the first time, PiNetwork will be able to access real-world data securely and reliably, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities for its users and developers. Imagine being able to use apps on the PiNetwork that can tap into live sports scores, financial market data, weather updates, or even global news, all in real time, and all powered by secure blockchain technology. That's exactly what this integration with Chainlink is set to deliver. By bringing real-world data onto the PiNetwork, developers can now build decentralized applications that are smarter, more interactive, and more useful than ever before. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for both developers and users. Developers can now create apps that respond to real-time events, automate complex processes, and offer services that were previously impossible on a closed blockchain. For users, this means access to a richer ecosystem of apps and features that can make everyday life easier, more efficient, and even more fun. Get ready to see some amazing new apps and features rolling out on the PiNetwork. We're talking about decentralized finance tools that can react to market changes instantly, games that use real-world events as part of their gameplay, and social apps that keep you updated with the latest news, all powered by the secure decentralized infrastructure of Pi and Chainlink working together. This is a big step forward not just for PiNetwork, but for the entire crypto space. It signals a shift toward more practical, real-world use cases for blockchain technology, and it shows that mobile-first platforms like Pi are ready to compete with the biggest names in crypto. The integration with Chainlink could help PiNetwork attract even more users, developers, and attention from the broader tech world. Let's break down what this all means, step by step. We'll start by looking at what makes PiNetwork unique, how it's managed to build such a massive community, and why its mobile-first approach is so important. Then we'll dive into Chainlink, what it is, how it works, and why it's trusted by so many top blockchain projects to deliver secure, tamper-proof data from the outside world. We'll cover what PiNetwork is all about, how it lets anyone mine cryptocurrency right from their phone, and how it's managed to build a global user base of millions in just a few years. If you're new to Pi, don't worry, we'll explain everything you need to know to get started. Next, we'll explore how Chainlink works its magic. You'll learn how Chainlink's decentralized oracles act as bridges between blockchains and the real world, making it possible for smart contracts to access data like prices, weather, and more, securely and without relying on a single source. And finally, we'll explain why this partnership is such a big deal for both projects and what it could mean for the future of decentralized apps, mobile crypto, and the broader blockchain ecosystem. This collaboration could set a new standard for what's possible when two innovative platforms join forces. So stay tuned, because it's about to get really interesting. We're just getting started, and you won't want to miss what comes next as we dive deep into the PiNetwork, Chainlink, and the future of real-world data on the blockchain. Imagine being able to mine cryptocurrency right from your smartphone, without needing any expensive hardware or complicated setup. That's the promise of PiNetwork, a project that's changing the way people think about digital currency. Instead of requiring powerful computers or technical know-how, PiNetwork lets anyone, anywhere, participate in the world of crypto with just a few taps on their phone. It's designed to be simple, user-friendly, and accessible to everyone, no matter their background or experience with technology. PiNetwork's mission is to make cryptocurrency easy and accessible for everyone, not just tech experts or early adopters. The creators believe that digital money should be for the masses, not just a select few. By lowering the barriers to entry, they hope to empower people all over the world to join the crypto revolution. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who's never used cryptocurrency before, PiNetwork is designed to welcome you. The core idea behind PiNetwork is simple but powerful. You can mine cryptocurrency directly on your phone. There's no need to invest in expensive mining rigs or worry about high electricity bills. All you need is a smartphone and the PiNetwork app. Once you've downloaded the app, mining is as easy as tapping a button once every 24 hours. The app runs in the background so it won't drain your battery or slow down your phone. You don't need any fancy equipment, technical skills, or even a deep understanding of blockchain technology. PiNetwork is designed for everyday people. Whether you're relaxing at home, commuting to work, or hanging out with friends, you can mine Pi with just a few seconds of effort each day. It's a hassle-free way to get involved in the world of cryptocurrency, and it's open to anyone with a smartphone. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just download the PiNetwork app from your app store, create an account, and tap the mining button once a day. That's it, you're now mining Pi, the network's own cryptocurrency. There's no need to keep the app open all the time, and you don't have to worry about your phone overheating or your battery draining. The process is designed to be as easy and convenient as possible, but PiNetwork isn't just about mining coins on your own. At its heart, it's built on the idea of community. The project encourages users to connect, collaborate, and build a trusted network together. By working as a group, users help secure the network and make it stronger. This sense of community is what sets PiNetwork apart from many other cryptocurrencies. You can earn even more Pi by inviting friends and building your own trusted circle. The more people you bring into the network, the more you can mine together. This referral system not only helps the network grow, but also rewards users for spreading the word and building a strong, trustworthy community. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Thanks to this unique approach, PiNetwork has attracted millions of users from all around the globe. People from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds are coming together to be part of something new and exciting. The network is growing rapidly, with users connecting and collaborating in ways that weren't possible before. PiNetwork is a unique and ambitious project with the potential to bring cryptocurrency to the masses. By making mining simple, social, and accessible, it's opening the door for millions of people to join the digital economy. Whether you're curious about crypto or looking for a new way to get involved, PiNetwork offers an easy and welcoming place to start. Now let's talk about Chainlink. Blockchains are great at keeping track of data and transactions, but they can't access information from the outside world. That's where Chainlink comes in. Chainlink provides reliable and secure oracles. Think of oracles as bridges that bring real-world data onto the blockchain. This data is crucial for many applications, especially in the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi. Imagine a world where the power of blockchain is literally at your fingertips, accessible to anyone with a smartphone. That's exactly what happens when you combine PiNetwork's mobile-first approach with the advanced capabilities of Chainlink's decentralized oracles. PiNetwork has always focused on making cryptocurrency easy to use and available to the masses, while Chainlink is renowned for securely connecting blockchains to real-world data. When these two innovative platforms join forces, the result is nothing short of revolutionary. This partnership is a recipe for true innovation, blending accessibility with cutting-edge technology. It's not just about bringing more people into the crypto space. It's about empowering them to do more, create more, and dream bigger. By working together, PiNetwork and Chainlink are setting the stage for a new era of decentralized applications that are smarter, more responsive, and deeply connected to the world around us. Thanks to this integration, PiNetwork can now access real-world data in real time, opening up possibilities that were previously out of reach. Imagine your favorite apps not just running on blockchain, but actually reacting to live events, market changes, or even weather updates directly on your phone. This breakthrough unlocks a whole new world of opportunities for both developers and users. The PiNetwork ecosystem can now support applications that are more dynamic, interactive, and relevant to everyday life. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village, you can participate in a global digital economy that responds to the real world in real time. For developers, this means the ability to build apps that are not only more sophisticated but also more useful and engaging. They can now create decentralized applications that leverage real-world data, automate complex processes, and deliver personalized experiences to users everywhere. The possibilities are limited only by imagination. Think about decentralized finance or DeFi applications that can instantly react to market trends, or insurance apps that automatically process claims based on real-time events. These are just a few examples of what's now possible on PiNetwork, thanks to Chainlink's oracles. Or imagine mobile games that change and evolve based on live sports scores, weather conditions, or even global news. The integration of real-world data means that games and apps can become more interactive, immersive, and fun than ever before. This partnership marks a major milestone for PiNetwork, signaling its evolution from a simple mobile mining platform to a robust ecosystem capable of supporting next-generation decentralized applications. It's a leap forward that brings us closer to a future where blockchain technology is truly woven into the fabric of everyday life. Ultimately, this collaboration is about building a more inclusive and accessible crypto ecosystem, one where everyone everywhere can participate, innovate, and benefit from the power of blockchain. The future is bright, and it's in your hands. So, imagine playing a game where your in-game rewards are actually influenced by real-time stock prices. Or, picture this, accessing lending and borrowing services, but using PI as your collateral. These are just a few examples of what's possible when PiNetwork and Chainlink work together. This integration isn't just about technical advancements, it's really about empowering developers to build the next generation of decentralized applications. The future of PiNetwork just got a whole lot more exciting. The crypto community is buzzing with excitement over this news, and for good reason. The integration with Chainlink is a major milestone for PiNetwork. It signals to the world that Pi is serious about building a robust and functional ecosystem. The market has also reacted positively, with the price of PI surging after the announcement. This partnership is a clear vote of confidence in PiNetwork's potential. This integration with Chainlink comes at a pivotal time for PiNetwork. The project has been making significant progress, recently launching its mainnet and surpassing 10 million users. The team is also working hard to make KYC verification smoother and more accessible to users worldwide. With a growing community and a thriving ecosystem of dApps on the horizon, PiNetwork is well positioned for continued growth and adoption. While the future looks bright for PiNetwork, there are still challenges to overcome. One of the biggest hurdles is attracting businesses to adopt PI as a payment method. Additionally, the project has faced some criticism for its slow rollout and technical difficulties. However, the team is actively addressing these issues and remains committed to delivering on its promises. The integration with Chainlink is a game changer for PiNetwork, unlocking a world of possibilities for developers and users alike. With a strong community, a growing ecosystem, and a commitment to innovation, PiNetwork is well positioned to disrupt the crypto space. The next few years will be crucial for PiNetwork. As more dApps launch and adoption grows, we can expect to see PI become a major player in the world of cryptocurrency. This is definitely a project to keep your eye on.